Assalamualaikum to all my Muslim brothers and sisters, and hello to all my non-Muslim brothers and sisters. I am Imran Imtiaz and welcome back to my channel Imran Imtiaz Arts. Okay, let's get started with the first letter, A. Okay guys, that's it, A for alpaca. And if you guys have any other ideas to draw any animals or objects or anything at all that starts with an A, then go ahead and draw them and tag me in it. I'll leave the links to my social media in the description box below. Alright, that is all for today. Don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.